Hi, it's Neil again. I just came across an interesting little contract which I'm involved with, where the client discovered that they had a problem with dry rot in the subfloor void. So, due to the layout of the building, it's it's impossible to get adequate cross-flow ventilation. They had installed several new air bricks, but they were totally pointless. There was no way they were ever going to achieve any kind of cross-flow in what is quite a big subfloor void. So, what we're looking to do, and I will keep you updated on this, we're looking to obviously remove the dry rot, what we can be seeing, the mycelium, sporophores, etc., and replace any timbers which are affected, but we're going to control the environment within the subfloor using dehumidification. We've brought in a specialist company who are more than confident we can do that. So it's going to be an interesting project. I'll monitor it over the next probably 12, 18 months and just see how we go. But I thought it was interesting. Since the outbreak was discovered, they've introduced some extraction ventilation, quite powerful. So they've already changed the environment within the subfloor void. So what we've got, since I was here 3-4 weeks ago, and this was a big growth of mycelium. Obviously it was white, and there was no evidence of fruiting bodies. And in the 4 weeks since we've changed the environment and reduced the moisture content in the subfloor void, we've suddenly got this outbreak of sporophores. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we've got a decent one up there. Obviously you can see the growth, and also in the joist adjacent to it. So what it tells us is that the dry rot is actually under stress. So the source of moisture it's been relying on has been reduced, and obviously then nature takes its course and it then goes down the path of trying to reproduce. It'll produce these sporophores, fruiting bodies, and you can see the red dust, the red ochre dust. They're the spores which will be blasted out in the millions, in the hope that some land in the right environment, and obviously the infection can continue. So I just thought it was an interesting one, the difference it's made within 4 weeks of actually just changing the environment. The dry rot is immediately under stress. I mean, obviously this mycelium will be removed and these joists will be replaced, and whatever sterilisation needs to be carried out will be. But I will be monitoring this over the next 12 months, 18 months, and I'll keep you updated on how it progresses. It's probably one of the biggest jobs of its type. I mean, this is one small section of the void. Is quite significant. But as I say, we brought the experts in. I think I understand dehumidification, but when you're talking about something this size, you speak to the experts, and we've brought a company in who, they're confident we can achieve this. So I will keep you posted, but I hope you find this interesting. So when you see sporophores in the numbers that have been produced here, it's telling you the dry rot is under stress, its environment's changing, and obviously it's gone into reproduction mode. Okay, I hope you found this useful. Thanks a lot now. Bye bye.